Introducing Harmonized Commerce Agency, a fictional Shopify partner here to help you create seamless shopping experiences for your merchants with Shopify Point of Sale or POS.
Hi there, I'm Eliza. Today, I'll share a step-by-step guide on how we successfully troubleshot and implemented a unified retail operation for our client, Ellie Beauty. Let's get to know them. Ellie Beauty is a premium beauty brand with a presence on multiple sales channels. They quickly made a name for themselves in the beauty industry with their unique, colorful packaging. Ellie has flagship stores across North America and offers B2B sales to retailers around the world. When they first reached out, Ellie's POS system was kind of all over the place. Their workflows for inventory management and reporting were far too complicated. They needed a partner to help them simplify their processes. That's where Harmonized Commerce Agency came in. Their existing POS system didn't offer a real-time view of their inventory across all of their sales channels. So they had to manually track large volumes of inventory from online orders, their physical stores, and their B2B channel. They needed a solution that would help prevent overselling, avoid inventory errors, and create a smooth experience for their customers. For example, customers would reserve a product for in-store pickup, only to arrive and be told that the item was actually out of stock at that location. Not a great look for a premium brand. Another major issue was customer recognition. Because Ellie's existing system kept online customers, in-store shoppers, and B2B accounts in separate databases, their staff couldn't recognize an existing customer when they bought something in-store. This meant that loyalty discounts couldn't be offered across sales channels, which led to a disjointed experience for their most dedicated customers. Reporting was equally problematic. In order to use data to understand how the business was performing, they had to export it from multiple systems and combine it manually. The Ellie team spent numerous hours each week fixing data errors, which took time away from important things like creating strategic initiatives and marketing programs. With these pain points top of mind, my recommendation was to migrate Ellie Beauty to Shopify POS. With Shopify POS, you get a centralized platform that pulls together inventory management, improves customer recognition, and simplifies reporting. Now, let's dig into how this switch helped Ellie with their daily operations. First, they were able to unify their inventory management across sales channels, which greatly improved their inventory accuracy. So now, when Ellie Beauty sells a product in their Soho location, inventory updates instantly across their California store, online channels, and B2B portal. This means there are no allocation conflicts, and it leads to better demand forecasting. Next, they tackled customer recognition. Previously, they couldn't build comprehensive customer profiles that carried across their sales channels. With the Shopify POS, Ellie staff can access a single source of truth for their customer data. This allows them to build targeted marketing offers for their customers. It also lets their store associates offer personalized service, whether a customer shops in-store or online. For example, when a returning customer visits the store, associates can recommend products based on their purchase history and apply loyalty rewards seamlessly. Finally, consolidated reporting. With all of their sales data across physical locations, e-commerce, and B2B channels now flowing into one unified dashboard, they have real-time visibility into their business performance. Access to comprehensive reporting helps them easily identify what's going well and where they can make improvements. Since switching to Shopify POS, Ellie Beauty now has real-time inventory management and easier reporting. Their customers love the personalized service and seamless shopping they get at every touchpoint. Remember, when talking about Shopify POS with your clients, it's more than just a technical solution. It's a way to unify retail operations, drive revenue growth, and deliver seamless customer experiences across all channels.